Do you know that these plant growth animal videos are blowing up right now? Some creators are pulling in millions, even hundreds of millions of views with this exact format. Check out this new Instagram account. Over 370,000 followers, with one reel crossing over 210 million views. And the best part? The same content works on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook too, and can be fully monetized. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos using AI, completely for free. Let's dive in. First things first, open up ChatGPT. Head over to Explore GPTs and search for restoration time-lapse. Once you find it, go ahead and click Start Chat. Now you're going to go to this document, copy the prompt, and paste the prompt into the chat. You'll find the link to that prompt down in the description below. The only thing you need to do is swap in the animal of your choice. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with an elephant. Once you hit send, ChatGPT will do its thing and generate 4 image prompts along with 4 matching video prompts. These are what we'll be using to build our entire video from scratch. Go ahead and copy that first image prompt. Now open up Google Flow. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free using your Gmail. It takes less than a minute. Once you're in, switch over to Create Image. Set your aspect ratio, choose your number of outputs, and select your model. I'll be going with Nano Banana 2 for this one. Paste in that first image prompt and hit Generate. Within seconds, your image will be ready. Go ahead and preview it, and if you're happy with it, save it. Now paste in the second image prompt and generate the next image. Now, watch me repeat this exact process for all 4 prompts, one after the other, saving each image as you go. By the end of this step, you should have 4 clean, AI-generated images ready to work with. Now comes the exciting part, turning these still images into actual video clips. Head over to Create Video inside Google Flow and select the Frames to Video option. Upload image 1 as frame 1 and image 2 as frame 2. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into the prompt field. Hit Generate, and just like that, your first video clip is ready. Let's take a quick look at how it turned out. Looking great. Save that clip and move on to the next one. This time, use image 2 as frame 1 and image 3 as frame 2. Paste in the second video prompt and generate again. Watch me repeat this process for every clip until all 4 are done and saved. Now that all your clips are ready, it's time to bring everything together. Open up CapCut or whichever video editing software you prefer and import all 4 clips. Arrange them in the correct order, then slightly zoom in on each clip to remove any watermarks or logos. Add your cuts and transitions where needed to keep things smooth and visually engaging. Once you're satisfied, export the final video in 1080p. And just like that, your viral plant growth animal video is done. Let's watch the final result. And that right there is how you create these viral plant growth animal videos from scratch using nothing but free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to AI Pipeline for more tutorials just like this one.